Read, learn, know with Miss Ro. Yay!
Hi everyone, it's Miss Ro once again and welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna have our math lesson. But before we begin, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below if you're new to my channel and hit the like button and share this video to your loved one. And of course, if you wanted to be the first one who will get notified if I have posted a new video, please don't forget to click on the notification bell down below. Alright, so let's start. In this video, you will revise 3D shapes. Let's start. All you have to do is to guess what shape it is. Are you ready? Great. What is this shape? Can you make a guess? Alright, there you go. I can hear that you've said it's a sphere. Very good. Next one. What is this shape? Can you make a guess? Yes, it's a rectangular prism or it's a cuboid. Very good. Next one. What shape is this? I can hear you. It's a pyramid. Very good. Next one. What shape is it? Can you make a guess? Yes, it's a cylinder. Next one. What shape is this? Can you make a guess? Yes, perfect. It's a cube. Next. What shape is it? Can you make a guess now? Good job. It's a cone. Next one. Now let's learn more. There are 3D shapes that can roll, can slide, and can be stacked. So let's talk about these shapes. Firstly, those shapes that are rolling, they move this way. Of course, they have completely round and curved surfaces. Any object that has completely round, curved, and surfaces can roll. Alright? Think of some shapes. We have a sphere. A sphere can roll. It has a curved surface all around. What else? A cylinder can roll. It has a curved surface. Next, what is sliding? This is sliding. Do you understand? Object that has at least one flat face, it can slide. Alright? So, if you can see that the object or the shape has one or any flat surfaces, then it can slide. For example, a cube. It can slide. It has all flat faces. Next, a cuboid, right? It can slide. It has all flat faces. You understand? Great. And look at this. This is a prism. Alright, a triangular prism or even a pyramid. It has all flat faces. Just like what I've said, a pyramid can slide. These are the shapes that you can stack upon each other. Alright? Can you look at that? You can put this shape on top of one another. Do you understand? That is what we call stacking. Alright, shapes that can be stacked are cube. You can put it together on top of one another. A cuboid. You can put the shape on top of one another. A cylinder can be stacked because it has flat surface at the top and at the bottom. So guys, that would be all for rolling, stacking, and sliding. Alright, now this time, let's try. Look for two objects that can be stacked, can roll, or slide. Alright, so now this time, let's record the data. Complete the checklist and draw the objects and use a tick mark or a cross mark. For example, I've got here a glue or glue stick. It can roll, it can slide, and it can be stacked. Next, I've got here a present. Can it roll? No, it cannot. Can it slide? Yes, it can. Can it be stacked? Yes, it can be stacked. There you go, guys. I can't wait to see your pictures, your videos, and all the examples that you can find at home. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!